Okay, let's take a look at the schedule. See what the rest of the afternoon looks like. Oh, that's not too bad. So how you liking your first day of work here?
Thank you, Dr. Harper.
You are most welcome. And remember, alternating an ice pack with a heating pad is very helpful for spasming.
I'd like to make another appointment.
Oh, sure. What were you thinking? Maybe next week or
Tonight.
tonight? Oh, Glorioski. We close up at 5.
So I can expect you at my place at 9.
Oh, gee. I don't do house calls. Per se.
See you at 9.
Some patients